Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about, can I withdraw to a different bank account with Robinhood? The straightforward answer is yes. You generally can withdraw funds from your Robinhood account to a different bank account, but there are a few important steps you must follow first. Robinhood requires that any bank account you want to withdraw to must be a linked account. This is a security measure. You cannot withdraw directly to an unlinked, third-party bank account. To successfully withdraw to a new bank account, you must first link that bank account to your Robinhood account. The standard way to link a new bank account is to initiate a small deposit from that new bank account into your Robinhood account. This process links and verifies the new account. Once the new bank account is linked and verified, you will be able to select it as the destination for your cash withdrawals. If you are switching bank accounts, you may want to unlink your old bank account once your new one is successfully linked. You can typically manage your linked accounts in the Transfers or Linked Accounts section of the Robinhood app or website. Keep in mind that all withdrawals are subject to standard transfer limits, which can include daily limits on the amount and frequency of withdrawals. Additionally, cash from recent deposits or sales of securities may have a waiting period before it becomes withdrawable cash. Always double-check the bank account information before confirming any withdrawal to ensure your funds are sent to the correct place. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.